Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock your Telegram account with a passcode on the desktop version. So this is pretty useful if you have a shared desktop or laptop and want to make sure that nobody is able to view and access your messages. So to do so is really easy. All we have to do is open the menu in the top left by clicking the button at the top left, going to the settings, and here clicking on privacy and security. So you're going to see an option here that says local passcode, and we are greeted with a page where we can enter our own passcode. So for this example, I'm going to make something simple, 1234, 1234, and I'm going to click on save passcode. So it's going to show you an option if you want to auto lock it. So for example, if I'm away for 5 minutes, then it's going to automatically lock my Telegram account. You can also unlock with Windows Hello, which I will be disabling because I don't have that on my computer. So now that that's done, if you look, if you go back to your main window, you can see a small lock icon here at the top in your search bar. If you want to lock your Telegram app, you can go ahead and click that. And now you have to enter your local passcode to access it. So I'm going to type it in, click submit, and now I have access to my messages again. So that's how you can set a local passcode on your Telegram account on the desktop version. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.